Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Fusion 18. Now the 18 is going to stand for a 1.8 cubic foot firebox. This is a super nice little insert for those of you who have very small fireplace openings. This is generally a pretty good fit. It'll fit pretty well for smaller applications. So this is going to be a completely airtight, high efficiency unit, which means it does need to connect to a stainless steel liner kit. So again, this is going to be a masonry application. That means you do need a brick fireplace from top to bottom and a brick chimney as well. And again, to make the unit operate efficiently, you do need that stainless steel liner kit. I'm going to take you guys inside the unit. The handle design is super nice, super easy to open. You can see it is a fully gasketed firebox door here. Inside the firebox here on the Fusion, they do have the cast iron liner bricks in here. The Fusion over there that we showed, which was the larger 24-inch model, has the stainless steel option, and then this one is going to be shown with the cast iron refractory. Now, the cast iron bricks are really nice because they're super durable. They do take a little bit longer to heat up versus the stainless steel liner, but they're also going to retain that heat for a much longer time, and they also look pretty nice as well. You do just have your two single damper controls located here on the top. You have your low and your high setting, and then as well as your air wash located at the top. A couple design changes, as all of the Supreme products now have a single baffle system located at the top. The baffle system has the air holes built into it, so you're no longer going to have those stainless steel air tubes to accomplish the reburn, but you do still have that reburn technology, which is going to give you that nice high efficiency burn. This is a 1.8 cubic foot firebox. This is going to have the cast iron lining. This cast iron lining is super durable. Cast iron lining is going to take a little bit longer to heat up, yes, but it's going to retain and radiate that heat much longer as well. And then again, that top stainless steel baffle with the air holes, which is going to replace the old style air tubes. You have a very nice thick gasket and two simple damper controls located at the top. This is going to be your primary damper control and then your air wash damper control. This is the Supreme Fusion 118 model, which is a 1.8 cubic foot firebox. This is manufactured up in Canada by Supreme, which is an excellent family-owned business. If you guys enjoy these product overviews, please don't forget to just give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.